Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage the Conversations feature in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you type that in and hit enter, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Outlook web app login page. Go ahead and log into your Outlook account using your credentials to access your inbox. Once your email has loaded and you can see your main inbox view, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This is where you'll find the controls you need to customize how your conversations are displayed. Look for and click on the View tab. This tab is essential because it contains all the settings that control how your emails and conversations appear in your inbox. Once the View menu opens, you'll notice a Conversations drop-down option. This is exactly where you can manage all the conversation features in Microsoft Outlook. Click on it to reveal the additional options available to you. This menu gives you complete control over how your email threads are organized and displayed. Now first, hover your cursor over the message list option. Here you'll see 3 different ways to manage how your messages are grouped. You can choose to group messages by conversation, which bundles all related emails together. Or you can group them by branches within a conversation, which separates different threads even within the same email chain. Lastly, you have the option to not group them at all, displaying each email individually. Choose whichever option makes it easiest for you to follow your email threads and stay organized. Next up is your reading pane configuration. Hover your cursor over the reading pane option and you'll see 2 choices here. You can choose to show all messages from the selected conversation, which displays every email in that thread at once in your reading pane. Or you can select to show only the selected message, which displays just the individual email you've clicked on without the rest of the thread. This setting is really useful depending on whether you prefer to see the full context of a conversation or focus on one message at a time. Then you have the sorting function, which controls how your emails are ordered. You can choose to display the newest emails on top, which keeps your most recent messages front and center. Or you can flip it and show the oldest emails first if you prefer to read through conversations chronologically. Simply configure whichever layout preference works best for your workflow and helps you manage your inbox more efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the Conversations feature in Outlook to match your personal preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.